Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create your first gig in Fiverr, and it can help you to get more clients and more freelancing work. So without wasting any time, I will go to my PC and show you how to create your first gig on fiverr.com. So first of all, you need to sign up a Fiverr account, and after that you need to create a gig. So herein you need to create a new gig. Just tap on this option. You will get this option in profile itself for your seller account. So create a gig. You can see I have already created one gig for SEO. So now I will create another gig for WordPress. So I will also recommend you to create a banner like this. I use Canva, so I have created banner like this for my WordPress. You can see build your WordPress website, contact now at affordable price, and this is my photo. So I have saved this image in my system, so I will use this image while entering in my gig. So herein I will do, I need to type it. So I have entered simple thing like I will do affordable WordPress website design for you. You can select a category from here. So first of all, you can just select graphic design, graphic and design category from here. Then you need to here look for website design category. Scroll down a bit. From here you need to look for the specific service website design. So I will choose this category. So from here you can enter the keywords like website design, new website design, or you can select any one of them. You can enter here a keyword. After that you can click on this I accept it, and you can simply click on save and continue. It is showing title can contain letters and numbers only, so I will change it a little bit. Let me save it once again. It is asking for this servicing. Choose website for a business platform. You can choose from here WordPress. So let's hope now it will work. Now click on save and continue. So there are some little changes which you need to do during this process, and don't need to worry at all. It will give you everything. So create your first gig on Fiverr using this step. You can add a pricing here. You can need to enter all this step: product description, requirement, gallery, publish your photographs, and everything you need to do. So it will take a few minutes to do it. So take your time and upload a good gig so that you will get more business and more work online. So this is the other section where you can enter the pricing. So make sure to enter all these pricing details. You can select the delivery time, and from here like 3 days. You can select these delivery times accordingly according to the number of pages you can select these pages and design. You need to fill all these. Make sure to check all of them. Your licensed images, licensed video, you can choose everything so that you can give the best additional pages. You try to submit it, it will ask you to. So make sure to enter all this detail like which type of website you are providing. So the more detail you will enter, the better it will be for you. So enter the pricing from here. You can change this pricing detail here. Click on save and continue. So you can see there it is asking you something like you need to change the pricing here. Total price must be of $5. Please adjust. So let make it $5, and you can make it like make it 555 and see if it works. First time it may let's see if it takes it. So enter the pricing. Now click on save. काम कर रहा हूँ बढ़िया से, बट सीट बढ़िया से। अरे कुछ कर रहा हूँ मैं, बोल मत।
जब से बोल रहे थे काम, मम्मी की बात नहीं सुन रहे थे। लाइट भी चलानी पड़ी है।
अरे भैया काम करो यहाँ से।
अरे लाइट को एक पे लगा लो ना।
अरे पागल है क्या भैया? फट यहाँ से, भाग यहाँ से बाहर।
इसका तो काम नहीं हो रहा ना,
छोड़ दे उसको।
काम तो
कहाँ से आके साला। Sometimes it gives you some suggestion as well, which you need to check out properly. So make sure to enter all these details. Now you are in description and FAQ. Pricing is also done. Overview is also done. Now I am on description. So I am now in third step. So herein I need to enter the complete description. Make sure to write it on yourself. So after writing, I have written this description. I have not used any AI chatbot like ChatGPT or any other chatbot. I have written it myself because it is my experience. So I will always suggest you to write it by your own, and you can use any Grammarly or any other tool to check your grammar and write it on your own because it is your experience. So after that you need to scroll down and click on save and continue. Let's see if it asks something more. If it asks something more, I will add more information. So now I am on the fourth step, which is requirement. So I have filled overview, pricing, description and FAQ. I have entered everything. So now I am on requirement. Let's scroll down and see. So you can add some questions like if you are ordering for a business, what your industry, 3D design. So you can add more question if you want. So I have entered an easy question like is your website is dynamic or static. Click on add. So it is very simple question, and you can add more question if you want and click on save and continue. So now I have moved to the fifth step, which is gallery. So wherein I can add an image. So I will now browse the image from my system, which I have shown you earlier, which I have created by Canva. You can use any video creation or photo creation tool. This is my image, but make sure to add your image. It is very important, and may add your photo as well. Click on this confirm. I declare this material was created by myself. You can see it should be created by yourself, not by AI tool. Go for the fresh thing because it is very important. You are giving your services and you know more about yourself. So now I am on last step, which is publish. So you are almost there. You can declare your status here and you can click on publish. So declare your status here. You are almost done. You need to, as a freelancer, you need to fill the form W9. So click on declare your status. So herein you need to add, are you a person, are you a US person? Just click on no because I am from India, and click on yes, save. Now you can see I am done. Click on this close. So make sure to fill this form. It is very easy, just simple steps which you need to follow. Now I will get an option to publish my gig. So make sure to follow all these steps which I have given you, and do not leave anything, and make sure to write everything by yourself and enter your original image in the banner. So the more original content you will add, the better are the chances. You can see now I am getting an option to publish gig. Just press on this publish gig and you can see, and click on save and continue. So I hope friends now you will be able to create your gig on Fiverr. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.